Welcome to Home of Math. Today we simplify these fractions. Here first fraction is 2x square minus 13x plus 15 divided 2x minus 1. Second one is 2x plus 1 divide 4x square minus 9 divide x minus 5 divide 2x minus 1. So one by one we simplify. First one, how we express. Here is 2x square and here is minus 13x plus 15. So this expression we simplify by middle term factor. So here is 2 and here is 15, it will become 30. So 30 divided by 2, so 15, again divide by 3, it will become 5. So look, 5 times 2 means 10 and 10 times 3 means 30. Again 10 plus 3 is a 13. So this one we can write like this: 2x square minus 10x minus 3x plus 15. Okay, and divide, here is 2x minus 1 times, this is 2x plus 1, we can keep as it is, and this 4x square means 2x square and 9 means 3 square. So it's like a square minus b square. So we can write 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3, and this divide we can sign product. So numerator and denominator exchange. So 2x minus 1 divide x minus 5. So here we can take common 2x, so it will become x minus 5, and minus 3, once it common, it will become x minus 5. Divide 2x minus 1 times, here is 2x plus 1, divide 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 1, x minus 5. Okay, so this 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 we can out, and here is x minus 5 times 2x minus 3, and here is 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, and here is x minus 5, and here 2x plus 1. So again we can out 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 5. So our answer is 2x plus 1 divide 2x plus 3, right? So this is our answer. So hope you understand. My opinion and my suggestion, once we face this question, first we solve at your home. If you face any problem, you can see this video. You need more practice for good marks. Thank you very much for being with me.